Here's hoping you'll never have to, but just in case, let's talk about changing a flat tire. If equipped, you'll find the jack tools and the spare tire underneath the load floor in the rear cargo area. Remove the jacking tools and the wing nut securing the spare tire. Now, you can remove the spare tire. Now loosen, but do not remove the wheel bolts by turning them counterclockwise one turn while the wheel is still on the ground. Make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface safely away from traffic. Avoid ice or slippery areas. Also, make sure the ignition is off, the hazard lights are on, and the parking brake is fully set. Use the chocks provided to chock the front and rear of the wheel diagonally opposite of the jacking position. For example, if the left rear tire is damaged, chock the right front tire. Place the jack under the jacking location closest to the flat tire. The saddle cutout should be indicated by an arrow-shaped indentation. Center the jack saddle inside the cutout. Do not raise the vehicle until you are sure the jack is fully engaged. Now you're ready to raise the vehicle by turning the jack screw clockwise. Raise the vehicle only until the tire just clears the surface and enough clearance is obtained to install the spare tire. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Okay, now go ahead and remove the wheel bolts and wheel. Position the spare tire on the vehicle with the valve stem facing out. The vehicle could be damaged if the spare tire is mounted incorrectly. Reinstall the wheel bolts with the cone-shaped end toward the wheel. Lightly tighten the wheel bolts clockwise. Now, you can lower the vehicle by turning the jack screw counterclockwise and remove the jack. Once on the ground, you can finish tightening the wheel bolts. Alternate wheel bolts until each wheel bolt has been tightened twice. Maximum effort should be used for final tightening of the wheel bolts. It's always a good idea to have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. Now, just secure the tire, jack, and tools in their proper locations, remove chocks from the wheels, and you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.